Okay, this is just a very quick act if I get my bald head out of the way. I want to show you this. I forgot to mention this actually, so it's a bit of a hack really if you're interested. You know when you tilt your engines up, whether it's 2-stroke, 4-stroke, no matter what it is, okay? I want to show you something. So I'm going to get on the floor, so hold on 1 second. Bear with me. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Hope you can see that. This here. This is an auto return bar. Okay, that there with a spring on it. And on mine it was sticking, so I thought, well, I'll get down and sort this out. But I thought you might be interested. So what happens is when you lift your engine up to put it on the drop position, sometimes it won't go, and you have to push this manually. Well, this bar is supposed to spring across. Watch. You see? Did you see it go across? Down, back in the lock position. I'll do it again. Ready? Because mine was sticking. So up, it returns, it releases, goes down, goes into full, and then back up again into lock position. So that's all it is. I just got to grease this. If it's really rusty, you might have to take it apart, but normally, yeah. So release, down, it locks, back into position again. And if you do it all the way, of course the engine goes all the way down. As you see, something underneath this thing. And there you go, it locks into position. Let's get it back up right there because I'm stuck underneath this. I'm not dangerous, I mean I'm just stuck. Okay, so that's your lift and your tilts. That'll be your high, and then the highest one is right out the way. There you go, hope that helps somebody because I'm getting out of here. Bit of a hack for you. Take care.